It was a sharp jolt, but also a warning of something much more violent that could be coming. The Hayward Fault, along with the San Andreas Fault on the San Francisco Peninsula, have long posed a twin seismic peril to the region. The San Andreas produced the devastating 1989 Loma Prieta quake and 1906 San Francisco quake. Thursday's quake was tiny by comparison and did little damage to speak of. The shaking was strong enough to wake people up when the earthquake hit at 2:39 a.m. One person in San Francisco said it was strong enough to knock picture frames from the wall. There will likely be aftershocks. There's a small probability there will be bigger ones. The system would typically allow a few seconds of warning for people not close to the epicenter, which would be enough time in theory to slow trains, stop elevators and allow people to brace themselves. Some Bay Area residents reported that the earthquake woke them up. Only M4.5, the size we have several times a year in California, tweeted seismologist Lucy Jones. But when you are right on top of a quake, it feels much stronger. The Hayward Fault course is right underneath Berkeley, Oakland, Hayward, and Fremont and produces a large earthquake, on average, every 160 years, with a margin of error of about 80 years. It has been 150 years since the Hayward Fault last ruptured, unleashing a huge earthquake. The Hayward Fault's most memorable earthquake in recorded history was in 1868 and is estimated to have been a magnitude 6.8 earthquake, rupturing 20 miles of the fault's length between San Leandro to what is now the Warm Springs neighborhood of Fremont, according to the USGS. On its website, the USGS calls the Hayward Fault the region's tectonic time bomb, which could cause hundreds of deaths, leave thousands homeless, and devastate the region's economy. In 2016, David Schwartz, a USGS geologist, said in an interview that above the Hayward Fault are 2 million people who directly live on top of it. It sits geographically in the center of the Bay Area. There's a tremendous amount of infrastructure built up on it: water systems, gas, electrical. Art crosses it, so a large event on that fault is like hitting the bullseye on a target. .3:02 a.m. updated with quote from a USGS seismologist. This article was originally published at 2:55 a.m.